Class, another week. Hard to believe it, but here we go again. So this week we're going to be focusing on specific investments. Um, Again, this is part of my master plan, my master spreadsheet. And so this is this week's spreadsheet on specific investments. And it is going to flow with the previous 2 weeks. So let's go back. So this is what we're looking at right here is this week's, and it's going to have the breakdown of investment objectives, which is going to be in this area here. And then last week was asset allocation here, which is at the top. So really you're just making sure that everything matches again. So you're going to take last week's stuff and you're going to plug it in up at the top. You're going to take 2 weeks ago's spreadsheet, this area here, and you're going to plug it in right here. And then the biggest thing that you're going to add is reasons for here, why you chose what you did. The more info the better, always is. Over here to the right, it's also going to talk about review frequency. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually. So just pick it and then give an explanation of why and how you're going to do it. So anyway, would love to see you do well. If you didn't feel like you liked these weeks a lot, or you wish you would like to or could change things, you can definitely change them. Just have them coordinate and match whatever's here. Make sure it's the same here, but you can always change these. And again, that's the hope and that's the purpose for these spreadsheets. This master spreadsheet is that you will use it for more than just an assignment, that you will actually go back to it and use it in your life as a legitimate financial tool. Continue with your reading or putting together your book report on The Millionaire Next Door. You can always make up assignments, spreadsheets, quizzes, things like that. I'm willing to do whatever to work with you if you want to earn extra points to boost your grade. I'm definitely understanding and easy that way. So you just got to reach out to me, let me know what you'd like to do or what assignments you want to make up, and I will make that happen. I definitely want to see good things happen. Thanks for all you do and for your contributions to the class and to one another. It is a big deal. And hope you have a great week.